We'll guide you through how to make liquid glass in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Right-click inside the project panel to open the available options, then select New Item and choose Adjustment Layer. Click OK to confirm and create the adjustment layer using the default settings. After that, drag the adjustment layer onto the timeline and place it above your video clip so the effect can be applied over the footage. Next, create the base shape for the glass effect. Select the rectangle tool from the toolbar and draw a rectangle shape in the program monitor, similar to the example shown in the video. Once the shape is created, go to the Properties panel to adjust its appearance. Scroll down until you find the corner radius setting. Then adjust the value according to your needs to create smooth and rounded edges for the shape. After that, duplicate the rectangle layer by holding the Alt key on your keyboard and dragging the shape upward to create a second layer. Select the second rectangle layer, then go to the Properties panel. Disable the Fill Color option so the inside of the shape becomes transparent, and enable the Stroke Color option to create an outline around the shape. Next, go to the Effect Controls panel and scroll down until you find the Opacity section. Change the blending mode. For example, set it to Soft Light, so the shape blends naturally with the background. Then go to the Effects panel and add the following effects to the adjustment layer: Track Matte Key, Gaussian Blur, Turbulent Displace, and Lighting Effects. After applying the effects, go back to the Effect Controls panel. In the Track Matte Key section, set the matte to Video 3 or the first rectangle layer so the effect follows the shape. Then go to the Gaussian Blur section and adjust the blurriness value according to your needs. For example, set it to 20. In the Turbulent Displace section, adjust the amount to 20, size to 240, complexity to 5, and evolution to -60 to create a fluid distortion effect. Go to the Lighting Effects section and adjust the Ambient Intensity to 50. Review the result in the program monitor to see the liquid glass effect.